Very good morning, children. We'll continue with the history lessons. 1 and 2 we have already completed. Now we'll start with the lesson 3, Movement Towards a New World. We have studied earlier about the First World War and Russian Revolution. Now we'll see what happened. What was the global trends between the two world wars? After the First World War, people became economically poor. The immediate government in power were unsuccessful in improving this condition. People lost trust in democracy. Dictatorship began in some countries, which became a driving force for the Second World War. So let's study about the series of events in this respect. So First World War. After First World War, people became poor. The government was not able to improve the condition. The effects of the World War has put them in such a conditions. People were not having the trust in democracy, and many countries were believing in dictatorship, and this was one of the reason which was a driving force for the Second World War. So what happened? What were the events which took place with regard to the wars? Now, fascism in Italy, Nazism in Germany, militarism in Japan, and global depression 1929-32. One by one we are going to study about it. Fascism in Italy. In the First World War, Italy was on the side of winning nations and fought for those nations. It incurred a massive expenditure of $12 billion. They lost lives of 6 lakh soldiers. Yet the other winning nations took over the choicest territories, ignoring Italy. In the First World War, Italy was with the nations who were winning. They fought for those nations. They incurred this much, $12 billion of money. Many soldiers, almost 6 lakh soldiers, lost their lives. Then too, after doing so much, these people, the winning nations, took over the territories. They ignored Italy. Now, because of this, first of all, they supported them, they fought for them, and they all won. And then also Italy was ignored. उनका ध्यान नहीं दिया गया तो उनको आ गया गुस्सा. Italy was angry and frustrated. Its nationalistic feeling was hurt, for which Italians considered its government responsible and was more than eager to avenge this national humiliation as soon as possible. They could not be able to they are not able to understand how this happened to them, why this happened to them, why government has not given much importance to the people of Italy. That means Italians, they got hurt, and they believe that the government is responsible for this, and now they had a thought in this mind, this is a national humiliation. Now we have to take some step. So in order to salvage Italy from such a dire situation, Benito Mussolini, he launched, that means he started a fascist party. He adopted a bundle of sticks and axe, a symbol of supremacy of the Roman emperor. So what was he has done? He adopted a symbol, that was a bundle of sticks and axe, as a symbol of the party. Fascism has evolved from the Italian word fascige, which means absolute control of the state on all the things. फैसिज्म क्यों आया? उसका मतलब है कि पूरा कंट्रोल पूरे कंट्री पे अपने तरीके से. मसोलिनी मैक्सिम वॉज वन पार्टी वन लीडर. उनका मानना था वन पार्टी वन लीडर. ही गेव मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग टू हिज पार्टी वॉलेंटियर्स हु वोर ब्लैक यूनिफॉर्म. आफ्टर कमिंग टू पावर, मसोलिनी कैप्चर्ड रोड्स एंड जिजोकैनिस आइलैंड्स फ्रॉम टर्की. टर्की ने ये ले लिया था, वो उन्होंने वापस लिया उनसे. ही ऑल्सो वन अल्बेनिया, एबिसीनिया एंड फ्यूम पोर्ट्स इन 1924. आफ्टर दिस विक्ट्रीज, मसोलिनी स्नैप्ड ऑल टाइज विद द लीग ऑफ नेशन. उन्होंने सारे रिश्ते तोड़ दिए लीग ऑफ नेशन से, एंड जॉइंड रोम, बर्लिन, टोक्यो. व्हाट इज दैट? रोम, Berlin and Tokyo axis. Thus, Italy became responsible for the Second World War. Next comes Nazism in Germany. Now, Germany also had lost in First World War. Italy had won, but they were humiliated by the other winning countries. Here, Germany had lost the First World War. Economically, they were totally down. Paris peace process had compelled Germany to sign the Treaty of Versailles, which we have studied in the previous chapter. They were forced to sign the treaty on the gunpoint. So Germans were extremely angry and they thought this is totally unjust treaty. Adolf Hitler joined the National Socialist German Workers' Party in 1990. This came to be known as Nazi Party. The Nazi philosophy included nationalism and socialism. इनकी philosophy क्या थी? Nationalism and socialism. After the death of German President Hindenburg, Hitler assumed the post and established his dictatorial rule. As soon as the German President Hindenburg left, he died, then Hitler assumed himself for this post and he established a dictatorial rule. He adopted stern and aggressive policies. He was said to be a dictator. He is world famous, known as a dictator, a German dictator, and led the Germans towards narrow nationalism. Germans considered Hitler as Führer, that means savior. उन्होंने उसे सोचा ये तो हमें हमारा रक्षा करने वाला बंदा है. Nazi soldiers wore blue military uniform and stuck a red strip on their soldier and wore a symbol of swastika. मगर ये उल्टा है, हम लोग का सीधा होता है, आप लोग को भी पता होगा. Hitler's authoritarian and militarist nature became obvious after coming to power. His main aim was emergence of Germany as a major power. In the name of purification of German race, his policy were targeted at exterminating Jews, gypsies and mentally challenged people. He don't want these people with them. He was such a dictator, he doesn't want in his policy the Jews, the gypsies and the people those who are mentally ill. By the end of the Second World War, innumerable European Jews lost their lives, which were known as Holocaust, genocides. Hitler's expansionism, military actions against neighboring countries and the policy of exterminating certain groups led to the Second World War, and it became an important reason for the same. Next comes the militarism in Japan. According to the Treaty of Versailles 1990, Japan got the benefit of the provinces of China. England and France distributed many regions of Germany between them. Japan was quite displeased with this. Japan did not get much. What they did, the England and France, they took the many regions, many places of Germany, and Japan was not happy with that. In 1921-22 Washington meet, during Washington meet, Japan had to agree to have only 35% of the English and American naval force. Japan also had to vacate the islands of Sakhalin and Siberia. The Japanese youth were angry on this. During this time, there were elections in Japan and the party supporting militarism got the majority. The military nationalism of Japan adopted the policy of expansionism. Military nationalism, they got the parties and this military got the majority. And now they had a policy of expansionism. Japan did not get a permanent place in the League of Nations. The Western countries could not stop the imperialist activities of Japan. They had an imperialism in Japan, and the Western countries would not be able to stop this. Japan captured Manchuria and established Manchukuo government in 1932. And then they captured Korea, Mongolia, Shandong and some provinces of China. It improved its relation with Germany and Italy and let loose its string of imperialism After Emperor Meiji, Emperor Hirohito 1936 also encouraged these activities of Japan, and thus Japan snapped all its ties with the League of Nations in 1933. They just left League of Nations. Then I said Global Depression in 1929-32. We have studied three: fascism in Italy, Nazism in Germany, militarism in Japan, and now this was a global depression it was between 1929-32. Now all the heads of the most of the European nations had a belief that with the end of the First World War, even the post-war problems of the world will come to an end. उनको ऐसा लगा कि सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे सॉल्व हो जाएंगे, but this proved wrong. Suddenly, a large number of shares began to be sold in the Wall Street stock market, causing the stock market to crumble. अचानक क्या देखा कि शेयर मार्केट पूरे शेयर्स वॉल स्ट्रीट में बिक गए. This was called Wall Street Crisis by the critics, which happened on 24th October 1929. So you have to remember this date. What it is famous for? Wall Street Crisis by the critics. This is your 1.1 answer, this full paragraph. This crisis shook the whole world and shattered the economic conditions of the nations, and it has given a big, great, that is, global depression. Most of the world's nations were affected. Even the superpower of that time, Britain, had to sacrifice its policy of keeping gold reserves against its currency, pound. This affected the other nations of the world and international trade and industry. Prosperous nations like America also had to impose strict measures, and global trade has reduced to half, and thus is said to be an outline of Second World War.